Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The excitement over a 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome recalls a history of small but clever recreational vehicles that have been updated for the modern era. The next 2026 model, which builds on decades of iconic designs, promises to combine Volkswagen's well-known engineering expertise with contemporary comforts catered to discriminating passengers. It is anticipated that the external design will gently update the iconic Volkswagen look by combining modern lighting elements and aerodynamic improvements. The overall form factor will probably be determined by an emphasis on optimizing internal space within a reasonable size, maybe using ingenious pop-top configurations or modular additions to improve living rooms. In line with current environmental consciousness, the incorporation of lightweight yet robust materials would enhance mobility and fuel efficiency. The interior of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is intended to be a comfortable and well-designed sanctuary. The cabin would emphasize functionality and adaptability while using premium, eco-friendly materials. Anticipate flexible furniture arrangements that can be used for dining, sleeping, and relaxing. With careful attention to detail, integrated storage solutions would optimize usable space and provide a clutter-free environment for long trips. A key component of the 2026 paradigm would be technological integration. At the center would be an advanced infotainment system that smoothly integrated entertainment, navigation, and car diagnostics. Integrated Wi-Fi and charging ports are examples of connectivity features that would meet the needs of contemporary mobile lifestyles. Safety and usability would be given top priority by driver support technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and improved parking sensors. It is projected that the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome's powertrain will adopt developments in electric mobility, possibly providing both an all-electric version and alternatives for efficient internal combustion engines. In line with international sustainability objectives, an electric powertrain would offer silent operation, immediate torque, and zero-emission travel. Improvements in battery technology would strive for a competitive range, allowing for longer trips with fewer pauses for recharge. It is anticipated that the chassis and suspension would be designed for a stable and comfortable ride, guaranteeing a pleasurable experience on a variety of terrains. No matter the weather, improved insulation and climate control systems would help make the space usable all year round. The overall sophistication of the driving and living experience would be further enhanced by careful attention to detail in the reduction of noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH. To sum up, in the market for recreational vehicles, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome offers a convincing image of small luxury and clever design. A new generation of travelers looking for a sophisticated and adaptable house on wheels will be served by the prospective model's seamless integration of its iconic legacy with modern technology, sustainable practices, and an emphasis on user-centric functionality.